Alright guys, in this video I am going to review on Infinix Note 12 G96. So hey guys, I am Ikhtier and you are watching ARZONE. So if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay, welcome back to our video guys. Infinix Note 12 G96. Its processor is MediaTek MT6781 Helio Z96 and operating system is Android 12, and its display type is AMOLED display size is 6.7 inches, resolution is 1080 into 2400 pixels, and you will also find weight 185 gram, and you will find front camera 16 megapixel, back camera is 50 megapixel, and 2 megapixel depth sensor you will also find in this phone, and internal storage is 128 GB and 256 GB. RAM is only one, and that is 8 GB. Battery capacity is 5000 milliampere. Charging is 33 watts fast charging. So that is the specifications of this phone, Infinix Note 12 G96. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.